MYSORE DASARA, also known as the Nadahaba State Festival of Karnataka, is a traditional festival celebrated in the city of Mysore. It has a rich history dating back several centuries. Here is a detailed overview of the history of MYSORE DASARA. MYSORE DASARA is indeed a Nadahaba, which translates to State Festival in Kannada, and it involves the worship and decoration of elephants as part of its grand celebrations. The festival is celebrated with much fervor in the city of Mysore, Karnataka, India. During MYSORE DASARA, the main deity worshipped is goddess Chamundeshwari, who is believed to have defeated the demon Mahishasura. As a part of the festival, a significant and spectacular event is the Jamboo Savari, a grand procession featuring a caparisoned elephant carrying the idol of the goddess. The elephant, adorned with intricate decorations, leads the procession through the streets of Mysore, attracting thousands of spectators. The decoration of elephants during MYSORE DASARA includes ornate jewelry, colorful fabrics, and other elaborate accessories. The caparison, decorative covering, is often made of richly embroidered silk and adorned with gold-plated jewelry, creating a majestic and awe-inspiring sight. The use of elephants in religious processions is symbolic and has historical significance, often representing the royal and divine connection. It adds to the cultural and traditional richness of the festival, attracting visitors from across the country and beyond. MYSORE DASARA's celebration of elephants is a blend of religious devotion, cultural heritage, and the grandeur associated with the historical and royal city of Mysore. 1. Origins and significance. MYSORE DASARA has its roots in the Vijayadashmi Empire, which ruled the region in the 15th century. The festival is celebrated to commemorate the victory of goddess Chamundeshwari, a form of goddess Durga, over the demon Mahishasura, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. 2. Wodyar dynasty influence. The Dasara celebrations gained prominence during the rule of the Wodyar dynasty in Mysore. The Maharajas of Mysore were great patrons of art and culture, and they played a crucial role in shaping the grandeur of the Dasara festival. 3. Raja Wodyar I. The Dasara celebrations were first started by Raja Wodyar I in 1610. Over the years, the Wodyars contributed significantly to the festival's growth, making it an extravagant and culturally rich event. 4. Sarvina Krishnaraja Wodyar III. One of the most influential rulers in the history of MYSORE DASARA was Maharaja Krishnaraja Wodyar III. During his reign in the 19th century, the Dasara festivities were given a more organized and elaborate structure. 5. Public participation. Under the rule of Krishnaraja Wodyar III, the Dasara celebrations became more inclusive, involving the general public. The festivities began to incorporate various cultural events, including music, dance, and traditional processions. 6. Processions and illuminations. The iconic Dasara procession, also known as Jamboo Savari, is a major highlight. It features a grand procession of caparisoned elephants, adorned with traditional decorations, carrying the idol of goddess Chamundeshwari. The illuminated Mysore Palace is another key attraction during Dasara. 7. Dasara exhibition. To promote local industries and provide entertainment to the public, the Dasara exhibition was started in 1880. It showcases a wide array of products, including handicrafts, textiles, and agricultural produce. 8. Post-independence era. Even after India gained independence, the Dasara celebrations continued with great enthusiasm. The government of Karnataka took over the responsibility of organizing the festival, ensuring its continuity and growth. 9. Contemporary Dasara. In recent years, MYSORE DASARA has evolved into a 10-day festival with a variety of cultural programs, exhibitions, and events. The Mysore Palace is illuminated with thousands of lights, creating a breathtaking sight. The Dasara procession and other cultural activities attract visitors from around the world. MYSORE DASARA stands as a testament to the cultural heritage of Karnataka and continues to be one of the most significant and widely celebrated festivals in the region.
ವಿಶ್ವವಿಖ್ಯಾತ ಮೈಸೂರು ದಸರಾ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಈಗ ವಿಶ್ವವಿಖ್ಯಾತ ಮೈಸೂರು ದಸರಾ 2021 ದರ್ಶನ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಮುಖ್ಯ
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಂಟಪ ಬೇಕಾ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಂಟಪ ಬೇಕಾ ಆನೆ ನಿಂತಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪುನರುನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಧರ್ಮವೇ ಅವತರಿಸಿದೆ. ನಾಳೆಗಳು ನಮಗೆನಿಸಿವೆ ಭರವಸೆಯ ಯಮನೂರ್ವಳೆ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯವೈ ಅವಳು ಸಲಹಿದ ಸುಖರು